Kajan gwas macha guru no to baye nyot. Okay, not part. Do you CMD guru ja? No. Kenya mancha guru ngo baye nyot duar ka Python. Me madi kwen dangro. Kwana kev. Dong di guru to be kwen dangro. Dong de kon lero one me de kon one de Kennedy. Sorry. One me de kon one. They can they deal they kon ngade they can badak shin do know ka Python ke ka programming language entity la ja jago to ba do mi de namo she ka do la na calculator ke je they use ambe yo nyod yo gomo there ban dangro there command sorry there kwen dangro there command na many a comment ko be ko ngaj mi kon nyot ke ba kon guy mi madi Kwen Dangro. Oh, sorry. Bahi Gorgatum. Okay. Mimadi Kwen Dangro. Oh, I made the mistakes, I think. Okay, yeah. Now I think it will work. Sorry, guys. Okay. Me, Madi Kwen Dangro. Kwen Dangro told the matane. They got Kwen Teddy, the madone, only road the tea. Kenya Bukone took Chico Tema. They con ka. They con a cab, they con Nang Cheraka Kwen. Chana Lele Dongda ka Kel. Ka Kel, the Volare, Para, ka DH. Economic mentally semicolon. Men ka kel fere ka DH de kon yo ka rew para ka diok. Men ka kel fere ka ndi ka rew de para ka diok. De kon ku gujok ka endiodien dera de sijen. De kon chulele ka diok fere ko na ka kon do de kon jiga ye de ko le ka kel mamadi kana ka en rawde mi chiga madi no so kon many we are in Python so kon gabala de ne kon pega no an kadio mo perga ka kel mamat ka kanadaro de kon goro bu kon dor banaje print and output ke and do badanen de rawato de gamat keja de kon chuto na take a language shall print kajan language dan yot ko gomman b nama b last okay then inside we should go to mat ka kel ka kene ka erode ke something gomo bukon mede kono mo dere print bane chugor bukon kombane lat bukon chu chole ka andiodien mu kon ran kyo kon ngodi yo bane chu ka print gomene chui gomede na me plus sign de yetwan ke deri main.py deri right click sorry left click and then bo kam chale run main bokon jo jana ping gomene chawo kakel memede ka rawde iwa kabadak aje kon ngai go di teme de la to kan di teme de to kabadak kel so chana je mere chana men len me jen di de kel amena jen jo chana je mera chakon jogo mat ka kel ka kana ka rawde no kon jen badak widekel mi mathematic dan tamache tede shagwa okay chimejia goma bokon nyot mudodien mabo nyot kon goma bokon line belen o deri dor las ket tet en de lat ke tet chire kon tema mi cha kon tiji kakel wa chire ke jendi jire kel karo de e jendiok ma cha ma te kon manan te chi gome chi kon kwen chi kon latin lo joyke gome chi kon goru kwen to ban galat kel kwen ba nyu de kon tem chal input mo jen bu kon a print on ke system dan de kon chu tu na kenyam de kon le na chi kon kam ni kon use ko chi kon use chana me le to number 1, okay, ka number to is equal to input, okay, bukona lare kajen bracket mo key brace bracket, and then bukora and you go to shuludi key simply enter your first number. A number down and go ribe mat key more key bilede akel. Number 2, we call it num2 is equal to input and then con bracket because that reader because enter your first number. Could depend over down and there in you diri kalat kenya. Kenya bukono kon ngajinana. Alana mi K1 F51 but goma cha kon betit amucha na mele lo K1 bukon mene me dong derben let's say it K1 and then a man K2, okay, let's see maybe for gram down me be crutch keche be crutch after that bukon go to bana man down and right kon go kwide bana je displaying the result. Kia guru kono output down lerore ke system de kono output di name normal programming ke basic ke mugor je to budo mugwa bi talk to good larana to go je kono nene print in the bracket and then inside bukono the total number of number 1 and number 2 is goma chukon go outside comma bu control mutuality K3 kogomi K3 cha print on me let's try to put K3 here go temo wana ko bani ko video mutual K3 what will happen system let's run it. Okay, so you enter your first number, so let me put 20, enter your first number, sorry I made a mistake but well correct 40. We mean that there are a total of 60. The total number of number 1 and number 2 is 81. So alajan me cho print kind of print in me cho print maniam cause maniam already cho add ni 51 can 30 kind of been care about the number when danish con enter. So they con lelde. Con lelde enter your second number, this one, because the first number written, second number. A very easy way. Let's do this. I will be removing this. Okay. So simply I can come here. K3 is equal to Mogor corner K1 plus K2. Let's try to run the system. Gogor corner. Now there is a problem. K3 plus K2, so it's supposed not to be there. We the Konangome system here after this one. We can say here K3 is equal to K1 plus K2. Let's try to run this thing and we can see the number of number 1, number 2 is that K3 is equal to K1 plus K2. Okay, number K3 is not defined, right? So K3 is equal to K1. We can define. We make sure that you can large. All right. So we still have some problem there. Okay, prints. Yep. I made a mistake. So these are the mistake didn't the mistake didn't go. You see here print, we can comment this out, okay? Go conway maybe corner chapel and chelibung. Okay, let's run it again. Yeah. Enter your first number. I will say 12 and then 2. The total number of number 1 and number 2 is 122. Why? Of course, K1 plus K2. Yeah, let's run this again. Okay, 1. Sorry. 1, 2. So the total number of number 1 and number 2 is 12. So it's supposed not to bring us that thing. Jendera kon adobe dien mede kon ran keje ko dobra de kon ran keje. Okay. Chana men char. Agwa. Wona me dera kon nam wena dien. Ka adobe dien de kon jago cho oba gwa keje. Ko some programming te don't want to go to then. Oh my god. All right. So here take on other ways of doing this. Okay. Kenyan because ngaji there take other thing K1 plus K2 then K2 then we say number is K2 then we run it again 2 2 1. The number of 1 and number 2 is 2 1 is 2 1. Oh. So here we can simply put float in the brackets. Then we can also put this thing because on that float number. We take a float and we take a decimal there. Keep it there. Okay, let's try to run it. Okay, 1, 2. This is it. We got a point. So I was mistaken because channel didn't go. I don't know why. Okay, print the total number on number 1, number 2 is K3. So K3 is called float K1 plus float K float K2. Now allow float number. Allow me show a float. Sorry. A number will contain K1.2. Okay, 0.1 and so on. And I'm going to take a point there. Okay, let's try the float. So because you might float more on from the end, can go down there corner like again. So that's it. Then go down there, come at and then don't they are real confused. The man and video they look here there easily there. And then one way in the corner and go to the corner display again art already. So no agenda then you conquer Guadalme, Kagwadi ban welcome the so any tie come out, tea come and leave it there. But I very simple thing and bye bye.